ready to ditch the paper and embrace the future of document signing. Then let's jump right into creating your DocuSign account. First, head over to DocuSign.com in your web browser. Once you're there, look for a button that says Start Free Trial or something similar. It's usually prominently displayed. Click on it. This will take you to the plans and pricing page. DocuSign offers various subscription options, from personal plans to business plans, so take a moment to browse through them and see which one best suits your needs. For this tutorial, we'll focus on setting up a free trial. Select the free trial option and you'll be prompted to enter your name, email address, and company name. Fill out these fields accurately. Make sure you use an email address you have access to, as you'll need to verify it later. Next, you'll need to create a strong and secure password for your DocuSign account. Follow the password requirements displayed on the screen. Carefully read through the DocuSign terms and conditions and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to indicate your consent. Finally, click on the Start Free Trial or similar button to submit your information and create your account. Now, head over to your email inbox. You should have received a verification email from DocuSign. Open the email. Inside the email, click on the Verify Email or similar button to confirm your email address and activate your DocuSign account. Congratulations! You've successfully created your DocuSign account. You'll now be taken to your DocuSign Dashboard, where you can start exploring the features and sending documents for signature. That's it. You're all set to start streamlining your document workflows with DocuSign. Don't forget to explore all the features and options available to you. Happy signing!